The red planet just revealed something incredible. NASA's Perseverance Rover has sent back shocking images from Mars, some that left scientists speechless. For millennia, we've gazed at Mars and wondered, are we alone? Perseverance is our most ambitious robotic explorer sent to answer that question. It's not just a machine, it's our eyes and hands on another world, searching for clues locked in ancient stone. The images it sends are windows into a world that may have once harbored the greatest secret of all. Perseverance is more than a rover. It's a six-wheeled, car-sized laboratory built to survive Mars. Its wheels traverse rocky terrain, its robotic arm drills and collects samples with surgical precision. Mastcam Z zooms in on distant features. Sherlock and Watson hunt for the chemical building blocks of life. Perseverance brought a companion, Ingenuity, the first helicopter to fly on another planet, proving flight is possible in Mars's thin air. Powered by a plutonium generator, Perseverance endures frigid nights and dust storms, sending data across millions of kilometers. Its mission seeks signs of ancient life, not living creatures, but fossilized or chemical traces left by microbes billions of years ago. Every movement and sample is part of a meticulous investigation into Mars's deep past. Perseverance is our proxy in a grand detective story, searching for a time when water flowed and life may have existed. It's a paleontologist on another planet reading a story written in the rocks. The goal is simple, but the execution is breathtakingly complex. Perseverance is our eyes and hands in the search for life beyond Earth. Perseverance's destination was chosen with care. Jezero Crater, a 45-kilometer-wide basin that was once a lake. Ancient river channels on the crater's rim reveal a powerful waterway that filled the basin, creating a vast lake. As the river slowed, it deposited sediment, building a delta, prime real estate for preserving signs of life. Billions of years ago, Jezero was a world of blue skies and water, an ideal habitat for microbial life. The delta's layers are like pages in a history book, each capturing a different era. By drilling into these layers, Perseverance travels back through time, searching for evidence of life's emergence. Jezero had all the ingredients for life: water, essential elements, and energy. Today it's a cold desert, but the evidence of its watery past remains, preserved in the landscape. The river channels, delta, and ancient shorelines are silent monuments to a lost world. Perseverance is here to unlock this geological treasure chest, the hope to find preserved biosignatures in the delta's fine-grained sediments. Jezero represents our best chance to answer the question, was Mars ever alive? The search begins in this ancient, silent monument. Perseverance's first images transported us to the surface of another world. We saw the ancient lakebed up close, rust-colored rocks, distant hills, and a butterscotch sky. The geology is diverse: volcanic rocks, sedimentary layers, and conglomerates shaped by ancient rivers. Hoodoos, tall, thin spires, stand as monuments to wind erosion over billions of years. The delta's cliff face reveals intricate layers: mudstone from calm waters, sandstone from river flows. Mars's colors are more than red: ochre, tan, gray, even purple, hinting at complex mineral chemistry. Each image is a scientific puzzle, sparking debate and analysis. Close-ups of rocks reveal textures and minerals shaped by water and time. Every photograph is scrutinized, building a richer picture of Jezero's history. These aren't just postcards, they're vital data telling Mars's story in stone. The images connect us to a world both alien and strangely familiar. Perseverance's camera is our window into Mars's deep past. For the first time, Perseverance let us hear Mars. Its microphones captured the whir of machinery, the crunch of wheels, and then Mars itself. The faint, low rumble of Martian wind, muffled by the thin atmosphere, made Mars real in a new way. Sound travels differently here. Higher pitches fade, lower ones carry. The Supercam's laser zaps rocks and the sound reveals their hardness, a new tool for planetary science. Martian acoustics teach us about the atmosphere's density and turbulence. Scientists can even listen for dust devils before they appear on camera. But beyond science, hearing Mars bridges the distance, making us feel present on another world. The wind's whisper is the sound of solitude, of an ancient sleeping planet. Now we can imagine standing on Mars, feeling the chill, seeing the dust, and hearing the wind. The silence of Mars has been broken. We are listening and the red planet is speaking. Perseverance has given us a new sense, the sound of another world. Perseverance's central quest is chemical, searching for evidence of past water and organic molecules, the building blocks of life. It has found both. Sherlock detected organic molecules in minerals linked to water, a tantalizing clue, but not proof of life. These molecules could form geologically, but their presence in an ancient lakebed is significant. Perseverance also found minerals like clays and carbonates, which form in long-standing water. Some rocks show signs of being altered by water multiple times, revealing a dynamic water cycle. The delta's fine sediments are ideal for preserving these clues. Each discovery adds to a coherent picture, a lake fed by a river. With rocks changed by water and organic molecules present, the evidence suggests Mars had the right conditions for life. The question is no longer if the environment was right, but did life actually begin? Perseverance is building the case, one molecule at a time. The search for life is now more focused than ever. With mounting evidence, persistent lakes, water-altered minerals, and organic molecules, the question grows, did life exist here? Perseverance now hunts for biosignatures, fossilized microbial mats, chemical fingerprints, and microscopic textures. On Earth, microbial mats can become stromatolites, layered structures that preserve life's traces. Finding similar features in Jezero's mudstones would be monumental. The rover also looks for chemical signatures like unusual carbon isotopes or complex molecules made by life. The delta's fine clays offer the best chance to preserve these delicate traces. Perseverance's cameras can see individual grains, searching for patterns only life could make. Every clue is scrutinized. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. A single clue isn't enough, but a web of evidence, structural, chemical, mineralogical, could tell an undeniable story. Perseverance isn't looking for a smoking gun, but for a tapestry of signs that, together, reveal a once-living world. The search is rigorous, and the stakes are cosmic. Perseverance's greatest legacy may be the samples it collects for return to Earth. It drills, seals, and stores rock cores in titanium tubes, each a fragment of Mars's history. Once complete, the tubes will be left on the surface, waiting for the next mission. NASA and ESA will send a lander and fetch rover to collect the samples. The samples will be launched into Mars orbit, captured by an orbiter, and returned to Earth. After re-entry, they'll be taken to secure labs for analysis. Scientists will study them with tools far beyond what a rover can carry. They'll date rocks, search for biosignatures, and unlock secrets Perseverance can only hint at. This mission is a gift to future generations, a chance to answer the question of life on Mars. The real work will begin when Mars comes to Earth. Perseverance's photos are more than data. They're a narrative of exploration. We see the rover's tracks, its hardware dusted red and its wheels worn by the journey. Self-portraits show Perseverance small and solitary against Jezero's vastness. The images capture time, harsh midday light, ethereal blue sunsets, and the slow passage of Martian days. Human artifacts, parachutes, backshells, lie like relics of a lost expedition. Through these images, we join the mission, sharing in each discovery. The photos create a bond between us and this distant robot. They reflect our curiosity and drive to explore. Mars's landscape is a reminder of what could have been, a sister planet on a different path. The next chapter is still unwritten, waiting in the rocks of Mars. Perseverance's images tell a human story of wonder and discovery. Perseverance's journey is far from over. Each day it adds new pages to Mars's story, transforming speculation into discovery. The samples it collects may answer the question of life beyond Earth. The Mars sample return mission is the next leap, bringing pieces of another world home. In those tubes lies the potential to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. The quest continues, and the universe's secrets await.